angel wings for this Halloween. You guys can use it for any type of holiday. You can use it for, honestly, for Christmas, obviously for Halloween, to get dressed up. But I'm just going with the flow. I seen some examples on like Google, Pinterest, Amazon, like stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you guys the materials and the steps and everything on how I created my angel wings. So let's go. I'm going to be using this butterfly type of wing as a base. I did get this at the dollar store, but what I did notice that it's all hung by wire and fabric and these two strings that you wear around your shoulders. So what I'm going to do is get cardboard here and find out a good sketch that I like. And okay, so I already went off and made this cutout, but what I did was made some trace marks and everything to get the right measurements. Or cardboard doesn't come with the fold already. Go ahead and fold it in half, and we're gonna start with 1/2. And what I did before I created this is I went on to Google and I found like a cute angel wing. I wanted mine to be more open, not like a closed wing. So what you're gonna do is create a 1/2 M and then flare it out, and then do the middle M, and then go ahead and cut that out with your box cutter. And it, when you open it up, it looks like an M, but we're gonna be flipping it upside down and using it more like this. And then we're gonna go ahead, the measurements doesn't have to be accurate. We're just using this as a base. So when we do start gluing on the feathers, it doesn't become heavy for this wire. So we're gonna go ahead, or I'm gonna go ahead, well, the next step basically is to put these together. Use a staple gun to put these two together. I stapled around the whole rim of the frame, even the inside, especially the middle, everything, so it's nice and supported. Also from the dollar store, I got these white feathers. I grabbed about 7 of these. Okay, so what I started doing was going around in a row and started stapling. As of so far, it's been holding on pretty well. While putting the feathers on, I realized that you kind of see the cardboard through. And she's over here scratching. Okay, and I decided to put just regular white printing paper as the background, so when I apply the feathers on top, you can just see white. And then I'm just using regular old school glue. Okay, so now I finished applying glue. I'm gonna let it, oh, my floor is so dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, and then I'm gonna apply the rest of my, I was gonna call it fur, but the rest of my feathers onto my wings. Oh gosh, goodness.